Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening, get fair skin with aloe vera leaves, and how you can whiten your skin tone naturally with very simple ingredients at home. I 100% I'm sure you do have it and it's going to work for you 100%. You will get fair skin from first use. You will notice a great results that your skin will be glowing and even toned. If you do have dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and melasma, this magical remedy will help you tremendously in getting rid of any kind of skin related problems. If you do have oily skin and blackheads, whiteheads, this magical remedy will help you. It's toner to get rid of any skin related problems and whitening the skin tone naturally. The first thing we need is one aloe vera leaf, and as you can tell I have here a small aloe vera leaf. That's all what we need. We need to remove the thorns like so. We don't need much of aloe vera gel. We need just around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and in a clean mixing bowl you can use market aloe vera gel if you prefer, but in this remedy specifically I like to use natural aloe vera gel, the plant we plant at home, because it gets an amazing results, my friends. My plant is so small, but if you have bigger plant than this, you will use less aloe vera leaves. Now my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of rose water, and you can use any rose water available for you, whichever you do have. Even the rose water that we prepare at home still will work. Add just 1 teaspoon of rose water. Now mix well the ingredients. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it like so, dip in your fingertips and apply on your skin, especially before you sleep. Apply generous amount on your skin like so, especially before you sleep, my friends, and go to sleep. Save it. You can store it in the fridge and keep using it every night before you sleep. You will be amazed with the result. It gets you glowing skin and it whitening the skin tone naturally, and you will get fair, spotless and glowing skin from first use.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.